Hello students, hope you all are fine at your places. So today in this lecture I am going to discuss some objective type of questions from genetics. So first subtype is from principles of inheritance and variation. The very first question is different forms of a genes are called heterozygotes, alleles, complementary genes or supplementary genes. The answer is alleles, as alleles are also known as alternative forms of genes. So option second is the correct option. Next, second question. The word genetics coined by Mendel, Johansen, Bateson or Morgan. So the correct answer is option number third, as W. Bateson coined the term genetics. Next, third question. Mendel's conclusion first published in option 1 Journal of Plant Breeding, Journal of Genetics and Plant Breeding, Nature for Gender Variant or none. So its answer is option number third. Next, fourth question. When a plant have two alleles of contrasting characters, it is called homozygous, dioecious, heterozygous or monoecious. So the question is saying that two alleles of different characters. So different we say heterozygotes. Hetero का मतलब होता है different. So that means option third is the correct option. Next, fifth question. The year 1900 AD is highly significant for geneticists due to discovery of genes, principle of linkage, Mendelian rediscovery, or chromosomal theory of heredity. So it was significantly because of the Mendelian rediscovery. That means option third is the correct option. Next, sixth question. Who rediscovered the results of Mendel's experiments? तो मेंडल के एक्सपेरिमेंट को किसने रीडिस्कवर किया था? These were the three scientists, De Vries, Skemark or Correns. That means option number first is the correct option. Next, seventh question. An individual with two identical alleles of a pair of genetic factor is called heteromorphic, heterozygote, homomorphic or homozygote. So its answer is third, homomorphic. Homo means same. Next, eighth question. How many characters of P pod were chosen by Mendel? Mendel in total chose the 7 characters, but of P pod he chose only 3 characters. That means option number fourth is the correct option. Next, ninth question. How many characters of a P were chosen by Mendel? So in total Mendel chose the 7 characters. That means option number fourth is the correct option. Next, 10th question. An organism with two identical alleles is called dominant, hybrid, heterozygous or homozygous. So identical allele, as the question say, तो identical का मतलब है the same genes. That means options के according number fourth option is the correct option. Homozygous means same. Next, 11th question. Genotype is the genetic composition of an organism, genetic composition of plastids, genetic composition of germ cells and none of the above. So option number 1 is the correct option, that is genetic composition of an organism. There are two terms, phenotype and genotype. Phenotype is the morphological character or the morphology, or genotype is the genetic composition of an organism. Next, 12th question. Genetic constitution of an individual is represented by genome, genotype, phenotype or karyotype. So this we just discussed, that genotypic or the genetic constituent of an individual is represented by its genotype. Next, 13th question. Genes do not occur in pair in zygote, somatic cell, endosperm cell or gametes. So its answer is gametes, as gametes fuse to form the diploid body or the new individual. Next, 14th question. One of the following did not constitute the 7 contrasting pairs of characters selected by Mendel. One is height of the plant, shape of the leaves, shape of pod or color of the pod. So Mendel did not choose the shape of the leaves. So option number 2 is the correct option. Next, 15th question. In Mendel genetics, one of the following character is the dominant. Green color of the pods, green color of seeds, terminal flowers or wrinkled seeds. So out of these 4 options, only one character is dominant, that is green color of the pods. Next, 16th question. Group of genes present in an ecosystem is called genotype, gene pool, genome or phenotype. So it is like a group of genes. So किसी एक group को हम कह रहे हैं there is a pool, वो इकट्ठे सभी present है, और वो pool किस चीज़ का? It is a gene pool. That means option number 2 is the correct option. Next, 17th question. How many genome types are present in a typical green plant cell? 2, 3, more than 5 or more than 1. So its answer is 2. That means option 1 is the correct option. Next question. When the genotype of an organism is proved by the addition of foreign genes, the process is called, so when there is an introduction or new addition of foreign genes, so the process is known as biotechnology, tissue culture, genetic engineering, or genetic diversity. So the correct answer is genetic engineering. With the help of genetic engineering, we make hybrids or inoculate the different types of genes of our interest. Next, 19th question. Who is concerned with law of inheritance? Bateson, Mendel, Punnett या H. Khorana? So you might have studied this, तो आपको अभी तक पता ही है that this is Mendel. Mendel has given 3 laws, and out of this, law of inheritance is one of those laws. So answer is Mendel. Next, 20th question. Mendel was not able to say anything about the recombination and crossing over because he did not have a large, strong microscope. He chose only pure types. Traits he chose were not linked and present on different chromosomes, so were far apart. या फिर traits he chose had no genes. So the option third is correct, that the traits he chose were not linked and present on different chromosomes, because by the time Mendel was studying, लिंकेज के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था और ना ही उसे कुछ इस बारे में पता था. दैट्स वाई द ऑप्शन थर्ड इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Next question. During breeding, the removal of anthers from flowers is called anthesis, pollination, emasculation, or vasectomy. So the answer is third, emasculation. Emasculation is the removal of the anthers. Rest of the terms, vasectomy is the जो वास्ट डिफरेंस को ब्लॉक कर दिया जाता है. Pollination you all know. Anthesis is not the answer. So answer is third, emasculation. Next question. Pea plants were more suitable than cattle for Mendel's experiment because there were no breeding records of cattle. Pea plant can be self-fertilized. Cattle are not easy to maintain. All pea plants have 2x chromosomes and fewer genetic traits. So the second option is correct, that pea plants are self-fertilized. So that's why Mendel chose the pea plant. Next, 23rd question. Organisms with two or more than two type of genotypes in their tissues are called as wobble, heterozygous, heterosis, or chimera. So answer is chimera. जो chimera होता है, that is a mixture of two or more types of genes or genotypes. That means the option fourth is the correct option. Next type of questions are from cross, different types of cross. So 24th question is phenotype ratio 3:1 proves dominance, segregation, crossing over, or independent assortment. So the answer is option number 2, that is segregation, because segregation की वजह से जो phenotypic ratio है वो 3:1 में टूट गया है. Next, what is the ratio of one pair of contrasting characters in F2 of a hybrid cross? So the options are, one is 5:3, second is 3:1, third is 9:3:1, and the fourth is 1:2 ratio, and that's very long. So the correct answer is 3:1. Always the dihybrid cross में जो F2 की contrasting pair है उसमें एक pair की the ratio is always this. Next, 26th question. What is the ratio of homozygous plants for dominant characters in F2 of a hybrid cross? So the options is 1:16, 3:16, 4:16, or 9:16. So the answer is 1:16, क्योंकि जब हम डाईहाइब्रिड क्रॉस की बात करते हैं तो उसमें 16 प्लांट्स होते हैं और उसमें हमें होमोजाइगस प्लांट बताना है. So that means 1:16 is the answer. Next, 27th question. Types of genotypes in F2 generation of a dihybrid cross are, dihybrid cross में F2 generation में कितने genotypes होते हैं? 4, 16, 8 और 9. So the answer is 9. आपको पता होगा जब हम इसकी genotypic ratio लिखते हैं, that is 9:3:3:1. So that means 9. Next, 28th question. A pure tall plant can be differentiated from a hybrid tall plant by measuring length of plant, by spraying gibberellins, if all plants are tall after self-pollination, if all plants are dwarf after self-pollination. So option third is the correct option. If all plants are tall after self-pollination, we can determine that. Next questions, 29th question. Genotype ratio in F2 progeny of dihybrid cross is, so this you have to remember, so it's always 1 is to 2 is to 2 is to 4, ratio 1, ratio 2, ratio 1, ratio 2 is to 1. That means option number second is the correct option. This is always the same, you have to remember this. Next, 30th question. When a heterozygous dominant is crossed with homozygous recessive, then ratio of progeny will be 1 ratio 2, 2 ratio 1, 3 ratio 1 or 1 ratio 1. So its answer is 1 ratio 1. ये आपको पता चलेंगे when you practice these crosses. आप इसको practice करोगे तो आप इसको immediately solve कर पाओगे. Next 31 question. Independent assortment can be proven by backcross, test cross, monohybrid cross or dihybrid cross. So its answer is fourth, dihybrid cross. Independent assortment we can only be proved by, or it can be only be proven by dihybrid cross. Next question 32. If a cross is made between capital A capital T and small a small t, where A stands for red dominant and T for all the tall dominant, what will be the percentage of the tall plants? So ये आपको क्रॉस बना के पता चलेगा that the tall plants की जो रेशो होगी वो 2 नंबर आएगा वो, ठीक है, दैट मीन्स वो 50% होगा, ठीक है, अगर ये मोनोहाइब्रिड होगा, ठीक है. दिस is all because आपको कब पता चलेगा इनका आंसर when you will solve these crosses. Next question 33. Crossing capital A, capital B and small b, the ratio of capital A, capital B, small b would be in F2 generation will be. So इसका आंसर है option number 4th, that is 4 ratio 16. This will again you will get to know when आप ये solve करोगे. Next 34th question. In a dihybrid cross between capital A, capital B and a, small b, the ratio of all these in F2 generation is, so इसको solve करने के बाद the answer will come out the option number 3, that is 1 ratio 2, ratio 2 is to 1. Next 35th question. The cross between recessive to its hybrid or its F1 plant is called, तो जो recessive और उसके F1 plant में जो भी cross किया जाता है उसको हम कहते हैं test cross. That means option number 2 is the correct option, that says test cross. Test cross होता है जो भी recessive parent और F1 plant के बीच में cross करवाया जाता है. Next 36th question. How many types and in what ratio the gametes are produced by a dihybrid heterozygote? So the option number 1 is 4 types in the ratio of 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1, 2 types in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 1, or 3 types or 4 types in the ratio 1 is to 1 is to 1. So the answer is option number 4th, that is 4 types of in the ratio 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. Next 37th question. 120 plants are produced on crossing pure red and pure white flowered pea plants. The ratio is 90 red 30 white, 30 red 90 white, 60 red 60 white, yeah, all of the above, yeah, all red, sorry. So the answer is option number 4, all red. Next 38th question. In Snapdragon, when a red flower plant is crossed with a white flower once, the resultant hybrid plant have pink colored flower. If plant of F1 generation is crossed with a white flower once, the progeny will be 10% red, the white flower and red flower ratio in 3 is to 1, the pink flower and white flower ratio in 1 is to 1, the pink, red and white flower ratio in 1 is to 2 is to 1. So the answer is option number 3rd, that says the pink flower and white flower ratio in 1 is to 1. Next 39th question. A heterogamous tall plants produces tall and dwarf plants after selfing. Selfing is self-pollination or self-fertilization. This confirms the Mendel's law called as law of dominance, law of segregation, law of purity of gametes or law of independent assortment. So it proves the law of segregation. That means option number 2nd is the correct option. Next 40th question. Mendel formulated the law of purity of gametes on the basis of, so this was proven by the monohybrid cross. That means option number 2nd is the correct option. Next question. Mendel's law of segregation is based on the separation of alleles during gamete formation, seed formation, pollination, or embryonic development. So it was during gamete formation. That means option number 1 is the correct option. Next 42 question. A cross between black and white birds result in blue birds in F1 generation, and then cross between blue in F1 generation would result in 3 blue, 1 white, 1 blue, 1 black, 1 white, 9 blue, 3 black, 3 white, or 1 black, 1 white, 2 blue. So this again you will get to know after solving this cross. So after solving this cross, the option number 4 will be the answer. That says 1 black, 1 white, and 2 blue. So next 43rd question. What is the ratio of progeny of cross between F1 heterozygous and recessive? So option number 1 is 3 is to 1, then 1 is to 2 is to 1, 1 is to 1, and 2 is to 1. So the answer third is the correct option, that says 1 is to 1 or 1 ratio 1. Next 44th question. Mendel enunciated how many principles of inheritance? So Mendel ने 2 principles of inheritance दिए थे. Next 45th question. On crossing red and white flowered plants, the ratio of red and white flowered in F2 generation was 60:20. Then on selfing of the heterozygous and red flowered plants, the ratio of red and white flowered offsprings would be. So ये भी आपको solve करके पता चलेगा. After solving this question, you will find that 72:24 will be the answer. That means option number 1 is the correct option. Next 46th question. Mendelian monohybrid ratio is so monohybrid ratio always remains the same, that is 3:1. या आप कुछ चीज़ें हैं वो याद रख सकते हो, without solving आपको इनका आंसर पता चल जाएंगे. It will be more helpful for you during your exam. So the option 2 is the correct option. Next 47th question. In monohybrid cross, what is the ratio of homozygous dominant and homozygous recessive individual? So F2 generation में options दिए हैं. In F2 generation 1:2:1. Option 2 says 2:1 upon 1:2. Then 3:1 upon 1:3. And fourth option is 1:1. So the answer is 1:1. That means option number 4th. Next 48th question. When two hybrids are crossed, the phenotypic ratio of offspring shall be. So you will again, after solving this, you will find that option 2 is the correct option, all 1. Next 49th question. How many plants are dihybrid in F2 generation of dihybrid cross? 1, 2, 4 or 16? So the answer is number 3 option, that says 4. So the 4 is the answer and the option third is the correct. Next 50th question. An offspring of two homozygous parents differing from one another by alleles at only one gene locus is known as backcross, monohybrid, dihybrid or trihybrid. So its answer is option number 2, that says monohybrid. Next 51 question. A useful process for determining whether an individual is homozygous or heterozygous is crossbreeding, self-fertilization, backcrossing or test cross. So this can be determined by using a test cross. That means option 4th is the correct. Next question. When capital A, capital B and small c is crossed with capital A, capital B, capital C, then the ratio of hybrid for all 3 genes is, this will again you will get to know after the solving, but 1/8 is the correct answer. That means option number 1. Next question. If selfing occurs in the right plant having genotype RY, then ratio of the given genotype will be, the options are given. So the correct answer is option number 1, which says 1:2:4. Next question, 54th question. The number of different types of gametes that can be produced by any individual with the capital P, small p, capital S, capital T, small t is. So the answer is 8. This you can find by gamete formation. Next question. The cross used to test whether an individual is homozygous, pure or heterozygous hybrid is called backcross, test cross monohybrid cross or dihybrid cross? So this we have done earlier also. The answer is second, that is test cross. Next, 56th question. In Antirrhinium, when a cross is made between red and white flowered plants, all resultant flowers will be red, pink, white, red and white in equal number. So option 2 is the correct option, that is pink. So red and white flowers are when crossed, so pink flowers were formed. Next, 57th question. In case of incomplete dominance in F2 generation, first option दिया है the genotypic ratio is 3:1. Second is the phenotypic ratio is 3:1. Then the genotypic ratio is equal to the phenotypic ratio and the genotypic ratio phenotypic ratio. So the answer is option third is the correct answer. Next, 58th question. When a tall and red flowered plant crossed with a dwarf and white flowered plant, phenotype in the progeny dwarf and white, what will be genotype of the tall and red flower plant? So इसमें आपको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा ये भी क्रॉस, यू हैव टू मेक अ क्रॉस एंड देन यू हैव टू टेल द जीनोटाइप. आपको जीनोटाइप बताना है कि कैसा होगा. So after solving you will find that genotype is capital T small r, capital R small r. That means option third is the correct option. Next question. In incomplete dominance, phenotypic ratio in F2 progeny is, so it is always 1:2:1. That means option 1 is the correct option. Next, 60th question. Mendel didn't give imagine of incomplete dominance, segregation of alleles, dominance and recessiveness of alleles or linkage. So Mendel didn't give anything about the linkage, इसलिए Mendel ने linkage के बारे में भी कुछ नहीं बताया था. Next, 61st question. How many types are of gametes will form during selfing of this thing? So the option third is the correct option, that says 8 gametes will be formed. Next, 62. Frequency of perfect heterozygous cross between, this statement is, so the answer is option number 1. Next question. Phenotypic dihybrid ratio in F2 generation in, so the option second is the correct option. Well, you must be knowing that dihybrid mein phenotypic ratio always remains the same, that's say 9:3:3:1. So option number 2 is the correct option. Next, 64th question. Pure line breed shows homozygosity, heterozygosity, homozygosity with only dominant genes, heterozygosity and linkage. So option number 1 is the correct option, homozygosity. Next, 65th question. Capital A, capital B, capital C, small c genotype forms how many types of gametes? So they form 4 types of gametes. Option number 1 is the correct. Next, 66. Independent assortment of genes does not take place when genes are located on homologous chromosomes, genes are linked and located on same chromosomes, genes are located on non-homologous chromosomes, or all of the above. So option number second is the correct. Genes are linked and located on the same chromosome. Next, 67th question. ABC dominant genes are required for production of purple colored of flower in plant. A purple plant with the genotype this is crossed with a colorless plant with the genotype this produces purple color in F1 hybrid. On selfing of F1, what proportion of colored offspring in F2? So its answer, the correct answer is option number 1, 6427. Next, 68th question. Gene recombinations are due to mutations, linkages, independent assortment, or none of the above. So its answer is option number 3, independent assortment. Next question. What is the ratio of homozygous and heterozygous individuals in F2 of a monohybrid cross? One is 1:1, 3:1, 2:1, or 1:2. So the answer is option number 1, 1:1. Next, 70th question. The phenomena in which an allele of one gene suppresses the expression of an allele of another gene is known as dominance, inactivation, epistasis, or suppression. So its answer is third, epistasis. Option number 3 is the correct. Next question. Ratio 9 ratio 7 is due to supplementary genes, lethal genes, complementary genes, or epistatic genes. So the answer is option third, complementary genes. Next 72 question. If one parent has blood group A and the other parent has blood group B, the offsprings have which blood group? So इसके लिए भी आपको एक क्रॉस बनाना पड़ेगा. The answer will be fourth option, AB, AB and O. Next question, 73rd question. Polygenic genes shows identical phenotype, identical biochemistry, different phenotype and identical genotype. So polygenic genes show different phenotype. That means option third is the correct option. Next 74th question. A man of A blood group marries a woman of AB blood group. Which type of progeny would indicate what man is heterozygous A? So the answer is option number 4, B. Next 75th question. Inheritance of skin color in human beings is an example of complementary gene, monogenic inheritance, polygenic inheritance and Mendelian inheritance. So its answer is option third, that is polygenic inheritance. Next 76th question. When two independently assorting dominant genes interact with each other to produce particular phenotype, but when they present alone they did not produce phenotype, they are called, so such type of genes are called as complementary genes. When they are present alone they did not produce any phenotype, but when they are produced with other genes they produce a phenotype. They are known as complementary genes. So option number 1 is the correct option. Next 77th question. Genetic recombinations occur through mitosis and fertilization, mitosis and meiosis, meiosis and fertilization, and none of the above. So its answer is meiosis and fertilization, as these both inoculate the variations which leads to the recombinations. Next 78th question. Disease resistant varieties can be produced by crossing a plant with variety, treating with colchicine, crossing with hormones, treating with low temperature. So option 1 is the correct, that says crossing a plant with variety. Next 79th question. The genes for same trait present on non-homologous chromosomes are alleles, linked genes, multiple alleles, or none of the above. So option second is the correct option, linked genes. Next 80th question. A child's blood group is O, his parents' blood group cannot be. So you might remember we have to choose which blood cannot be. So its answer is option third, AB. Next 81. In dihybrid cross, F2 ratio of 15:1 is due to, so this ratio is due to the duplicate genes. That means option third is the correct option. Next question. Marriages between close relatives should be avoided because it includes more recessive alleles to come together, mutations, multiple births, or blood group abnormalities. So the answer is recessive alleles to come together. When the marriages occur in the close relations, all the recessive genes come together and the offspring or the new progeny is lethal and वो die कर जाती है जल्दी. Next 83rd question. A child of O blood group has B blood group father. The genotype of father would be, so we have to tell the genotype of the father because the father is having the B blood group. That means the genotype is IBIO. That means option fourth is the correct option. Next question. A hybrid is generally more vigorous than either of the parents. This is due to homozygosity, heterozygosity, superior genes in hybrid, or mixing of the cytoplasm. So its answer is second option, heterozygosity. Next 85th question. Epistatic gene difference from dominant gene in, epistatic gene is non-allelic. Epistatic genes never express itself independently. Epistatic and hypostatic genes are present at different loci, or all of the above. So its answer is all of the above, option number 4th. Next question. A dihybrid ratio of 1:4, ratio 6, ratio 4, ratio 1 is obtained instead of 9:3:3:1. This is an example of, so this type is, or this is the example of polygenic inheritance in which a dihybrid ratio of 1:4:6:4:1 is obtained instead of the regular one. So option third is the correct option. Next, 87th question. A gene that shows its effect on more than one character is polygene, pleiotropic gene, multifactor gene, or multiple gene. So its answer is pleiotropic gene. It polygenic and pleiotropic work in two opposite way. In pleiotropy, one gene show more than two characters, and in polygenic, more genes form one character. So in this question, option 2 is the correct option. Next, 88th question. Appearance of walnut comb animals in poultry on a cross between pure pea comb and rose comb animals due to. So this occurrence is because of the collaborative supplementary genes. That means option number 4 is the correct option. Next question, polygenic inheritance was first noted by, so it was first studied by Coleridge. That means option number 4 is the correct option. Next, 90th question, if dominant C and P are essential for the development of purple color in sweet pea flowers, what would be the ratio of white and purple color in a cross between capital C, capital P, small p cross capital C and capital small p. So its answer is number 1, 5:3. Next question, blood grouping in human is controlled by, so we have to tell which type of how it is controlled. 4 alleles in which IA is dominant, 3 alleles in which IA and IB are co-dominant, 2 alleles in which one is none is dominant, and 3 alleles in which IA is recessive. So its answer is 3 alleles in which IA and IB are co-dominant. So there are 3 alleles only, A, B and O. So 3 alleles in which A and B are the co-dominant and O1 is the recessive. Next question, the technique of the production of monoclonal antibodies was initially developed by, so it was developed by Kohler and Milstein. So according to the options, option number 4 is the correct option. Next question, the phenomenon in which an allele of one group suppresses the activity of an allele of another group is known as. So this type of gene or allele is known as epistasis, which inactivate or which suppresses the activity of the other gene. So it is known as epistasis. That means option third is the correct option. Next, 94th question, lethal genes are those which cause death of the individual in which they are present, cause death of homozygous infant being formed, cause death of heterozygous, or none of the above. So lethal genes cause death of homozygous infant being formed. That means option number 2 is the correct option. Next, 95th question. In a cross between two plants, the phenotypic ratio of F2 generation found to be 9:3:4 is due to. So it is all because of the supplementary genes. That means option number 2 is the correct option. Next, 96th question. When the two genetic loci produce identical phenotypes in cis and trans positions, they are called pseudoalleles, different genes, multiple alleles, or the parts of same genes. So its answer is pseudoalleles, option number 1. Next, 97th question. Inheritance of ABO blood group illustrates polyploidy, multiple allelism, euploidy, or incomplete dominance. So option number 2 is the correct, which states multiple allelism. Next, 98th question. Recessive characters are expressed only when they are present on X chromosome of the female, only when they are present on X chromosome of male, on an autosome, or on both of the chromosome of female. So its answer is second option. Next, 99th question. Biological marriage is prohibited between. So the answer is option 2, Rh positive boy and Rh negative girl. Next, 100 and last question is, which type of DNA is found in bacteria? Straight DNA, helical DNA, membrane bound DNA, or circular free DNA? So in bacteria, circular free DNA is present. That means option number 4 is the correct option. So thank you very much, students.